How do you turn 400 bucks into 67 grand in just a few days? Sounds crazy, right? That's exactly what one of my subscribers did, using my strategy. When he first started, he had zero experience. Just a $400 deposit and the guts to try something new. Fast forward a few days. He's sitting on $67,000. And no, this isn't a fluke. This is what happens when the right mindset meets the right tools. Let me break it down for you. The real game changer here is the bot. This thing is built on advanced algorithms, constantly scanning the markets and generating trade recommendations with 75% accuracy. It's so precise, even total beginners are stacking wins like pros. But here's the best part, it's automated. You're not stuck glued to charts or making wild guesses. You're learning the markets in a low-stress environment while still making money. Every profitable trade builds your confidence and moves you closer to financial freedom. And the craziest part? This subscriber isn't the only one. More and more people are using this strategy to flip the script on their finances, and you could be next. Stick around, because in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how it works, and how you can get started today. Alright, our first signal is to open a short position. The price made a sharp spike upward, but immediately got hit with a strong pullback. The candle closed with a long upper wick. That's a clear sign sellers jumped in at the top and started pushing the price down. On top of that, the parabolic SAR is still above the price, which means the bigger downtrend is still intact. The moving average hasn't reversed either. This looks more like a bounce from oversold conditions than a true trend change. Moves like this, sharp fake outs followed by rejection, often lead to a continuation of the drop. So it makes sense to expect the price to slide lower from here. Ready to experience the power of next-level trading, completely free? We're opening the doors to our premium trading bot for all new users, no strings attached. That means full access for 30 days, totally on us. No hidden fees, no surprises, just a real chance to see what it's capable of, without opening your wallet. And here's the kicker. When you fund your account, we'll double your first deposit. Drop in 400? Boom, you're instantly trading with 800. It's a limited time offer, so if you've been waiting for the right moment to dive in, this is it. You'll also score access to our private trading group, where experienced traders drop real-time signals, expert insights, and proven tactics to help you stay ahead of the game. Got questions? Our support team is locked in and ready to walk you through everything, from setting up your account to mastering advanced techniques. Every big win starts with a bold first move. Tap the link and take yours now. Let's get one thing straight, winning in trading doesn't come from one lucky move. It comes from showing up when it's boring, when the market isn't exciting, when nobody's watching. It's about building discipline in silence. Everyone wants the win, but few are willing to build the process. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your habits. So, if you're here, watching this, grinding every day, even when it's slow, you're already doing more than most. You're not just learning charts. You're teaching yourself consistency, patience, and emotional control. That's what makes a real trader. This game doesn't reward hype. It rewards focus. So the next time you feel like it's not working, remember, every boring day you stay committed is one step closer to your breakthrough. Keep showing up. That's the edge. Stop trying to be perfect. You don't need to catch every move. You don't need to win every trade. What you do need is consistency. Show up. Stick to your plan. Manage your risk. That's how you build real progress. It's not about being flawless. It's about being focused. Let others chase perfection. You build habits that last. Alright, we're opening our second trade based on a long signal. And honestly, everything on this chart is screaming bullish. The price is shooting up with barely any pullbacks, and the candles have almost no wicks. That's a textbook sign of strong buying pressure. The moving average is confidently trailing below the price, and the parabolic SAR is right there under the candles, confirming the trend. Even the MACD histogram is picking up momentum. This isn't a market that's hesitating, it's in full-on adrenaline mode, charging higher. So it makes total sense to expect this bullish run to keep going. Want to level up your trading game and snag some free cash in the process? We're putting $2,000 on the line, split between two winners who'll each pocket a cool 1,000. Getting in on the action couldn't be easier. All you gotta do is watch this video, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a thoughtful comment about your trading journey. It could be a lesson you've learned, a strategy that's paid off, or even a hard truth you've discovered along the way. But heads up, lazy comments like "I want the money" aren't gonna fly. We're looking for real takes with some value. And remember, only your first comment gets counted, so make it a good one. Each week, I'll randomly pick the winners and announce them over on our Telegram channel. The link's down in the description. While you're there, stick around. Our community's packed with sharp traders sharing live signals, pro tips, and ideas to keep your edge in the market. Let's keep it real and keep it fun. Good luck, and I'll see you in the comments. Too many people treat trading like a lottery ticket. But if you want real results, you've got to treat it like a sport. Think about it, athletes don't just show up on game day and hope for the best. They train their bodies, their minds, and their focus every single day. Same with trading. The charts are your field, your strategy is your playbook, and your psychology? That's your entire game. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if your mindset is shaky, you'll fall apart the moment things get real. So ask yourself, are you reacting like a rookie, or responding like a pro? Are you chasing setups, or waiting for them? Are you getting tilted, or staying sharp? You're not here to gamble. You're here to grow, to build mental discipline. And the good news? That's something you can train. Start today. One trade, one decision, one mindset shift at a time. Well, there it is. Another trade about to close in profit. This bot hasn't let me down once. Appreciate you watching. If you're serious about stepping up your trading game, our bot is already out in the field, making moves and showing results. This isn't hype, it's designed to help you trade with speed, precision, and confidence. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. Catch you next time, stay focused, trade wisely, and keep leveling up.